it was leaking. So originally it was connected like this way. So under the faucet, then I found out this place here. This place, yeah, you can see the hole here and then a lot of water just leaking. But then I just chose to use this one, WaterWeld. I purchased it from Home Depot. Yeah, you can hear inside it look like this. And a little bit clean around the area that I have to work on here. And you can apply just maybe a much here.
Can I apply here?
It's very sticky to your hands, so you must be very careful when you push the edge, and you have to really apply the whole surface here thoroughly. Like, you know, when you have chewing gum, after that you can spit out, and think about that you can put that on the surface of the iron, not just the one time, but you keep pushing the area. I think that is very important. You just one time try to push and stick this part out on this iron. That's not enough, you have to keep pushing. And rest of part you have to wrap very well like this, so that you can use next time. Otherwise you're gonna dries up quickly. So I have to wait at least 1 hour. It will become very hard. Okay, it has been 3 hours. Yeah, that's been 3 hours, and then I will put some water here. Okay. Yeah, it seems like it works. I will put like maybe 30 minutes whether it's leaking or not. Okay, 30 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, so far there's no water leaking around here. Yeah, so this looks working. It seems like it's working. Yeah, so far so good. Okay, alright. Yeah, so far so good. There's no leaking of anything in this part, which is good. Pretty successful. There's no leaking here. Pretty good. Pretty good. It works.